Get ready, get set, and let's tune it up with Keekah and friends!
Come on, grab your bags.
Come on!
Looking for adventure. Every day is magic.
Whoa!
Travel the world, let's go.
Let's go!
All we need are lyric screws.
No lyric,
Every day needs Bella too.
That's me!
Tune it up and dance with the
Tune it
crew.
up.
Oh, I'll be happy when I will. Keekah friends. Fun when I'm with Keekah friends.
And that's how you do it the Keekah way.
Yo, 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 Keekah's crew, it's Keekah, and today we are going to be making Play-Doh. This is super special because we're not just going to go to the store and get Play-Doh, we're going to make our own Play-Doh. But before we start, we're going to review the dance for when Lyric's dancing timer goes off. Let's do it. All right, so this is called the Halloween Groove. If you haven't seen this dance before, check out our Pumpkin Town video where we did it last time. So, we're going to be putting our hands out like a zombie. We're going to go right and left. After that, we're going to bring our hands out to our shoulders like a mummy. Then we're going to bring our hands to our head, back to our shoulders, and then to our waist. Once we bring them to our waist, we're going to move like a snake. Move like a snake. We're going to repeat that 2 times. So we're going to put our hands out like a zombie again, to the right, to the left. Arms like a mummy, head back to shoulders, to the waist, and move like a snake. After you've done it twice, now we're going to do the scarecrow shake. We're going to shake, 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 and shake. After we've done that, you can freestyle. You can do anything you want to do. You can do this, but just have fun. Just remember, when that timer goes off, you got to get up on your feet and dance. All right, guys, let's go make some Play-Doh. All right, friends, now we're gonna make some Play-Doh. I got all the ingredients right here with me. I got flour, vegetable oil, cream of tartar, some salt, and we have some warm water. So we're going to start with 4 cups of flour. Dump till you fill it up all the way to the top. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just dump in 1. Can get a little messy. 2. Should you get it all the way to the top? 3. And the last cup is 4. Now we're gonna add in the salt. We need 2 cups of salt. So we're going to shake, shake, shake till it fills up to the top. It's coming up kind of slow, but it's getting there. So this is 1 cup, and this is 2 cups. Shake, 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 till it gets all the way to the top. Okay, now we pour in the 2nd cup of salt. Okay, the next ingredient is cream of tartar. We need 1/4 cup. So remember, make sure you shake it, shake it, shake it until we get the top all filled up. It doesn't seem like it wants to come out. Now we got 1/4 cup, and now I'm gonna pour into the ingredients. All right, so the last ingredient is water, but it has to be warm. So we're gonna put in 4 cups of water. 1, 2. Looks like it's raining. 3. And last cup. 4. All right, so I think we're done with the Play-Doh. But it doesn't really look like Play-Doh. It's kind of soupy. Come take a look. This is what the Play-Doh looks like. It's really watery. I wonder what we have to do. Oh, I think it has to be put on the oven. That's right. This has to be cooked. All right, friends, so now it's time to cook the Play-Doh. but you have to make sure an adult cooks the Play-Doh. So while you guys
Time to go, let's dance!
That's Lyric's dancing timer. That's your cue to go dance. All right, you guys go dance while I cook the Play-Doh. All right, I'll be right back.
Let's go.
Yawn.
All right, friends, so we have our Play-Doh. It's really warm and soft, but I really wish it had some color. It looks a little plain. Who do we ask when we need a little bit of help? You guys are right. We can call for Lyric. Oh, Lyric!
Lyric is in!
Whoa, look at all the colors. Thank you, Lyric. This kind of looks like a rainbow. We have pink, one of my favorite colors, orange, black, green, purple, blue, and my other favorite color, yellow. Now it's time to play. All right, guys, so it's getting ready to be Halloween time. So we're going to make some spooky creatures with some silly features. So we are going to play with some Play-Doh and make some silly creatures. But first, we need to warm up our bodies. So we're going to have Lyric play us a song. Tune it up, Lyric.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes. What? Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Yeah. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Okay. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Now slide to the right. Yeah. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Put your right foot up, then your left leg. You got it. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Strike a pose, strike a pose. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, and period.
All right, guys, now that we have our bodies warmed up, it's time to make a spooky creature. So if you have some Play-Doh, you can build along with me. So we're gonna start with pink. We're going to get a pumpkin, and we're going to roll it out, flatten it out, put a pumpkin for the head. This is gonna be our head. Now that we got our pumpkin head, we're going to give it a body. I'm gonna choose a square. A square has 4 sides. And the reason why it's a square is because each side is equal. So we're going to use a square. And I think I'm going to use my second favorite color, yellow. So we're going to just flatten that out. And then I'm going to get my cookie cutter, the square, push it down. And now I got my body. So we have a pumpkin head with a square body. All right, now that we got the pumpkin head and the square body, I'm going to add some legs. But since it's a spooky creature, we're going to make it 6 legs. So I'm gonna get my Play-Doh cutter, going to press it all out so it's nice and flat. And I'm going to give it 6 legs. Let's see. Here is 1 leg, 2 legs. Now I have to add 4 more. 3 legs. 4 legs, 2 more, 5, and 6. Now we got a pumpkin head, a square body, and 6 legs. Now we're going to make a face on our spooky creature. So I'm going to choose black. So we're going to press it out again and make it all flat. For the face, we're going to start with the eyes. So for this creature, I'm gonna have 2 eyes, and I'm gonna cut out 2 triangles. They're gonna have to be kind of little. So here's 1 tiny triangle. And here is another triangle. So I have 2 triangles. Each triangle has 3 sides. Okay, now I'm going to add a nose. I'm also gonna make a triangle nose. I'm just gonna cut out another triangle for the nose. Now I'm gonna add a mouth, but the mouth is gonna be a different color. I think I want to use blue. I think that I want to make the mouth super silly. So I'm gonna kind of make it kind of like a snake. Roll it in my hands. And I'm just gonna make it crazy. A crazy mouth. I'm gonna make it swirly. Ooh, look at that creature. Super silly. All right, guys, this is our spooky creature. He looks so silly. I say we did a good job. Thank you guys for building a Play-Doh creature with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you guys for tuning up with us. Always remember, if you can walk, you can dance. If you can talk, you can sing. Join Keekah's crew and you can do anything. And that's on period.